Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying core details: your merchant type, PAN/GST, and the bank account linked to Google Pay Business. Once done, gather 6 months of bank statements, recent invoices, and identity proofs like PAN and Aadhaar. These documents prove transaction volume and legitimacy. Next, make sure your Google Business profile and MCA registration are active and the contact email and phone are verified, because Google prioritizes verified businesses when reviewing limit increases. You now open the Google Pay Business console and navigate to Account then Limits. Click Request Increase and choose the appropriate band. Upload the KYC documents, 6 months of bank statements, invoice samples, and a projected monthly transaction volume so reviewers can assess risk. Also add an explanation for any recent spikes and link to your live website or merchant pages. This context speeds approval. Make sure file names are concise and formats are PDF or JPEG as requested. You finish by monitoring the request status in the console and responding to any reviewer questions within 48 hours to avoid delays. If the increase is granted, update your internal limits and continue to document transactions. If denied, read the feedback carefully, reduce chargeback risk, tighten KYC, and prepare to reapply after about 14 days. One key troubleshooting tip: if delays occur, contact Google Pay Support with your request ID and concise evidence of corrected issues to get
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.